Hello, Eco DIY lovers, welcome back. How to live a more sustainable lifestyle? Here we have lots of green and healthy DIY ideas that are fun and simple to make. We only use affordable and accessible stuffs, so relax and here we go. Shall we first take a coffee break? Today we are going to upcycle coffee grounds and save some plastic pieces and packaging wraps by making photo holders. You've got coffee grounds. Dry coffee grounds. Spread grounds on a dish and place the dish in a microwave to heat for 3 to 5 times 30 seconds intervals. Mix coffee grounds with clay. This adds a natural sepia tone to clay. It adds a beautiful antique look to our final object. Use your roller to flatten the clay. Use your small cup and a knife to make a round shape. Smooth the edges. Use your pen or a lotion bottle to hold the shape. Slightly flat the bottom so the holder doesn't roll easily. This time, make a round and a cube shape. Use your ruler or a plastic card to make a gap. Here we later put a card or a photo. Dry objects in cool and shade area for 1.5 to 2 days. Congratulations! Our beautiful, low-waste, handmade photo holders are completed. If you like, please like, subscribe, and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.